Welcome to Session 4 of Configuring Your RMS System. In this topic, we will take you through the RMS recommended settings for adding standard, traditional tariff tables. Tariff tables define the actual amount to be charged for a reservation's stay. Select Setup from the top navigation bar. Select Per Night's Tariff Lookup from the list. Select Tariff Tables from the sublist. When adding your tariff tables, it is important to note that if you have two different categories that you charge the same for, you only need to enter one tariff table. A single tariff table can link to multiple categories and periods. Select Add at the bottom of the screen. Enter a description for your tariff. This will need to be a description that describes your tariff easily for use in Topic 8 tariff lookups. If this tariff can be used for many categories, it may be easier to simply call it 100 per night. If your tariffs are different for each category, you may call it Studio Low Season, which is what we will name ours for this tariff. You must now choose the type of tariff you are entering. We will leave the selection as nightly. Daily would be commonly used for conference rooms. We now have three options. Night of week. When selected, changes the right-hand side of the screen to reflect days of the week. This is used if you have a set tariff from Sunday to Thursday and a higher tariff for Friday to Saturday. Number of nights stay. Used when your tariff depends on the number of nights the guest is staying. You may charge 100 for a one-night stay, but only 120 for a two-night stay. Per night. Used when you have a set amount for each night's stay. This is the option we will be using. Hourly is an option commonly used by facility sites. If you wish to learn more about per person tariffs, please refer to Topic 7 of Session 4. Another option you have on this screen is minimum reservation period. This is used if the tariff you are entering requires a minimum night's stay for specific days of the week. We will now enter our tariff amount to the right-hand side of the screen. We will enter 80 per night. We must ensure to enter 80 into the After 7th Night field. Enter a person base that the nightly amount covers. We will enter 2. To be able to enter deposit rules and charges for additional people above 2, we must first save the tariff. Go to the Deposits tab. We will enter a deposit of 50% due 7 days from when the reservation was made. Go to the Additionals tab. We will enter 20 into additional adults and 15 into additional child. Therefore, if we have 3 adults staying for one night, the accommodation charge would be 100 instead of 80. Once you have entered the relevant information, select Save, Exit. Repeat these steps to enter all of your tariff tables. To learn more about tariff tables, choose Help in the top right corner of the screen, or click once on the title, Standard Tariff Table in the knowledge base for a complete breakdown of this feature. That brings us to the end of the topic, Adding Standard Tariff Tables. We will now move on to Topic 6 of Session 4, Adding your Package Tariff Tables. If you do not have any package tariffs, please feel free to move to Topic 8, Tariff Lookups.